How to create social media content planner in Notion. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create your very own social media planner in Notion. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first step, go to notion.so and just simply log in or create an account. Now once you've logged into your Notion account, all you have to do is just simply set it up everything and you are good to go. And once you're over here, come over here onto the left hand side, click on add a page, or you can edit a existing page. But if you want to click on add a page, you can create a new page. We'll name this page right here. We'll call it social media content planner. And then we'll just simply select empty page. We'll click on the forward slash for more commands right here, as you can see. Then over here, we'll just scroll down and find database inline. You can even search for it if you want. And we just simply click on it to add a table right here. Next, we'll name this table. We'll call it platforms, and we'll create a new one as well. And we'll just call it content. Next step is to fill out this data. We're going to fill out this form right here. First, we'll fill out the content, and over here, we'll add these three tables right here. We'll first go ahead and we'll click over here and give it the name status or idea. And over here, we'll get a icon, or we can even remove it. We'll remove the icon for now. And over here, we'll add tags. Instead of tags, we'll put status. And this is how it looks like. It'll be name. Then we have status over here, right? We'll actually, yep. And then we'll create a new one, the select option, and we'll call it type. And over here, we'll add options as well. We'll say what type of, content it is. Is it a video or photo or short video? Is it a story, a post, whatever it is? You know, it all depends on you. We can even add a carousel like so. We can give it different colors as well. And there we go. We have now a property set. There we go. Type. Now we need to edit the properties of the status. Over here, we'll add the status. Is it published or whatnot? Is it in process and all of that? So right here, we'll put the status right here in the to-do section. It'll be idea. In the in progress, we'll say planning, and we'll call it red, no, actually pink. And we'll add another one and we'll say filming or editing, editing. And this will be blue. Yeah, blue is good. We'll add another one. We'll go ahead and say filming. Filming will be yellow. And in the complete section, we'll edit done. Well, instead of done, it will be published or scheduled, right? And published will be brown or actually yellow. And we'll change the filming to orange. And we'll also add scheduled. And I think that looks good. We'll just say good. We'll go back. Boom, there we go. We have this. We'll move it right here. Now, if we click over here on these different tasks, we can see we have these options right here. So we'll keep that. Next, we're going to go ahead and add a relationship between these two tables. So for that, we just simply click on plus icon over here at the platform section. We'll click over here and we just simply search for relations. Here we go. We click on relations and we're going to select, which is this table right here. We're going to select that table. And now we are going to click on show on content. There we go. Platform is selected. As you can see here, we're going to add the relationship. There we go. Pretty simple. After that, we are good to go. We can just simply close it up. And that's done. As you can see, it is now both linked. And let me just actually delete this since we don't need this right now. There we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add progress bar, which is going to be a roll-up bar. So we click on over here, the plus icon, and we search for roll-up. Here we go. We click on roll-up and we select relationship, select content, and we'll just rename it to progress. And right here, and then we simply click over here, calculate, right? We'll just simply select. Also make sure that the property that you select is status. All right, there we go. The calculate, and you come over here, percentage per group, right? And you select complete. There we go. Now over here, you can either bar, that bar looks pretty cool, and you can select the color as well, and you can show numbers as well. And there we go. So we'll just close that up. Boom, there we go. We'll actually move the progress bar at the end. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add some example data to see how it. Now we're going to go ahead and add some example data to see how it works. And before that, I just need to add a few more things like date and a few more other minor status options right here. And really depends on you if you want to add them, but yeah, we'll just add a date and we'll just say publish date or what? Publish date. Here we go. That looks nice. And we can add other stuff as well, like a media box, files and media, you know. We'll just name it files and media. Yeah, that looks good. And I think we are good to go. Now we'll just add in our platform names such as a TikTok. There we go. We'll add YouTube and we'll also add Instagram. There we go. And over here, we'll give the content names. We'll give content number 1 as an example, and we'll go ahead and select right here content number 1, right? Content number 2 and content number 3. There we go. And over here, we'll click on status, right? We'll just let it idea and we'll add the type. Content number 1 is going to be short video, content number 2 is going to be video, and content number 3 is going to be carousel. There we go. We'll add the publish date as well. It's going to be 30th. There we go. And for this one, we'll go with 3. And immediately you can see we have a progress bar right here, and we can see how it looks like. Now, next step is to go ahead and customize your planner. So to do that, you just simply click on the 3 dots available at the top of this table. You click on the table, you click on layouts, and you can choose whichever one you want. You could go with a board view, a timeline, list, or even a gallery. If you choose gallery, then you can go ahead and select the gallery, and then you just simply go ahead and select small. There you go. And you just simply, you can select the size, it depends on you. And for now, I'll just simply go ahead and click on card preview. I'll choose none, right? We'll go back and we'll click on properties. And over here, we can choose what type of property you want to show. So we'll just remove that, right? We don't want to, we can show names, and we'll also choose progress bar. That way it'll look pretty cool, give us this bar over here, and over here we can go ahead and yeah, I think that looks much better. As you can see, it looks really cool. Now we have a bar with all of the platforms that we can see. We can just simply have to add our ideas right here and the bars will fill. Now let's go ahead and change the look of this field right here. We'll go ahead and click on the 3 buttons and we'll click on layouts, and for this one we'll choose calendar. All right, we'll choose calendar and we'll go back and we'll choose what type of properties do we want to show. Well, we want to show status, and I think that looks good. And if we close it up, we scroll down, we can see this is how it would look like. Really cool. We have these simple dots where we have the main content, and over here we click over here and we can choose what type of content we want. We'll also go with planning, and we'll choose for the content one, filming, whatever. And yeah, next we'll create a page template for our platforms right here. So for that, we'll first click on this little icon that you can see right here. We'll click over here and we'll copy the link to the calendar, and over here we'll click on new and we'll click on new template, and over here we'll call it platforms, and we'll paste the link right here and we'll just simply select mention page. There we go. Sorry, not mention page. We'll just simply select create linked view for database, and over here this is how it's going to look like. Then we're going to click on the back button and we're going to click on layout, and we're going to change the layout. You can change it to table, board, or anything. We'll select board for now, and we'll scroll down and we'll select group by, not type, but status. There we go. That looks good. We can even add color columns as well. It looks really nice, and we can choose what type of options we want to be seen. Let me just capitalize this so that we have a full view right here. Looks really cool. And then we want to go back into properties and we want to be shown what type of properties we want. We'll just select all of them. There we go. Or you can select whichever options you want. Looks really cool, right? Now what we need to do next is we'll click on content and we'll click on hide database title, right? We'll click on over here and we'll rename it to status. There we go. Looks really cool. Now we'll click on filters and we'll click on platforms and we'll just simply select a platform. Nice. Now we just simply add the link right here again, create a new page, and we'll keep this one with the calendar view, right? We'll hide the database title, right? Keep that, and we click on filters, click on platforms, and we link it to platforms, and there we go. You can also skip this step if you want to. If you don't want to create this page, like, you can skip that. If you want to, you can keep that as it is. But as you can see, for now I have this one right here. As you can see, you click on platforms and you can see all of that. It looks much more cleaner in my opinion. You have all of your steps right here. You can go ahead and create them. In my opinion, it looks much more, cleaner. Then you just simply click over here, click on the edit sign, right? And click on the icons and just simply paste the link that you have of your icon, and it should appear right here. Oops, I think it's gone. Like so. Now we have that icon, TikTok icon. Same with YouTube as well. You can just simply search for, YouTube icon and it'll pop up like so. So we have our YouTube icon. You can select anyone you want. Depends on you if you want to use the color ones. This is a tip. Just simply drag the image to see if it is a PNG. Then just simply right click, copy the image address, go back, click on the name, select the icon, custom, paste the link, and click on submit, and the icon should appear. There you go. So looks pretty cool. That's how you do it. Then you can add the Instagram logo and other platforms if you want to as well. So that is how you do it. That is how you create a social media content planner on Notion. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.